Chinese student, today we are going to discuss the census and sample method in the chapter collections of data. So every individual who is using the statistical technique is required to collect information. So there are the two method of survey to collect data. First is census method and second is sample method. So first we discuss what is census method. Census method is that method in which data are collected and covering every item of universe or population related to the problem under investigation. Here, population and universe means the inclusion of all the item in the field of statistical inquiry, and the sample what we use is the few item or represent of all the item. So for example, you made interested in investigation of the composition of Maruti car in India. According to the census method, you are required to collect data on the color of each and every Maruti car sold in India. Census method implies complete enumeration of universe population. And the suitability of the census method is that there is a small size of population, widely diverse item in the population, requirement of intensive examinations, and high degree of accuracy and reliability. The merit of census method, that is reliable and accurate result based on the census are accurate and highly reliable. This because each and every term of population is study less biased means result based on the census method less biased. It is because of the essence of investigative declaration regarding the selections of the sample method. Intensive information collect through the census method is quite exhaustive and therefore more meaningful because all the item universe are examined and study of diverse characteristics. By using census method, one can study the diverse characteristic of the universe. Study of the complex investigation. When the item universe are complex nature, it is necessary to study each and item, and only census method can produce the desired result. In direct investigation, census method can successfully used in direct investigation also. And the merit of the census method is that census method is very costly and therefore generally not used ordinary investigation. Large manpower are required. This census method require a large manpower. Training large number of methods become initial and not suitable for the large investigation. If universe comprise a large number of items, then it is not possible to cover each and every item. And what is sample method? Sample method is that method in which data is collected about the sample group of item taken from the population of examination and conclusion draw on their base. Suitability of the sample method is that the size of population is very large, very high degree of accuracy is not needed, intensive examination of diverse item is not required, and fourth, when different units of universe are broadly similar to each other. And merit of this sample method is the economical. First, sample method investigation is economical because only some unit of population are studied. Time saving in this method, only limited number of item investigated, so time say consuming. Identifications of error because only limited number of item covered, so error can be easily identified. And to extend sampling method, so better accuracy. Large investigation sample method more feasible in situation large investigation than sensor method is which generally involve unaffordable cost. The more scientific, according to the R. Fisher, the sample is more scientific. The sample data can conventionally investigate for various angle. And demerits, wrong conclusion. Sample method does not represent the characteristic of the universe. The study may be end with wrong conclusion. Partial. It is only the partial investigation of universe and difficulty in selecting the uh, sample. It's the demerits of the sample method. Thank you.